Um, as Rupan said, we started SCAN a number of years back. And one thing we realized, for every parent of a child with a disability, the biggest concern they have is, who will look after my child after me? Who will look after my child when we are unable to do so, or when we are no longer on this earth? By the way, this presentation is about SCAN. It will keep running as I talk, so I hope it doesn't distract everyone. So this is the burning question that most families have, and this was one of the questions we had been tossing around, trying to find answers. How do we actually go about enabling our families to find a solution about not only just looking after their child, but making sure the child is healthy and happy and contented after their lifetime. As a parent support group, we engage in a lot of activities, as you can see in the slides here, a lot of social events, workshops, things like that, which are to add to what the formal structure of schooling and medical systems have to provide in terms of therapies, etc. So we try to provide
and addressing a public gathering. First of all, let me thank each one of you on the dais, Mr. Gopi, for giving this great opportunity for servicing the society, and Vidyasagar to come forward to assist and support us on doing things right from the beginning and put a seed of aspiring other developers to follow this in coming years. Of course, as a parent, Radha, and that prioritization is given, the priority is given that we will set up this model home of 100 inclusive living. We don't want to put that in a small project and exclusively for them and all. We wanted to put that in a larger complex. The largest project of Akshaya is 2,134 homes. And in that we wanted to place this 100 families, and we are going to face the challenges. As you rightly said, it's not that easy. Easy thing is to do a home as per their requirement. I need to widen up the bathroom doors project. Once it is completed, it's going to be a model project.
I know how boring this must be for you guys. உங்க பொறுமைக்கு நன்றி. Vidyasagar, you guys have been doing a great job for the past 30 years. So well done to you guys. Extraordinary job. SCAN, Gopi and SCAN is my family. So whatever I talk about, my friends from very never come. Of course, நம்ம மீட் பண்ணல, பட் உங்களுடைய growth நான் வெரி இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் கேஸ் நான் போய் பார்க்குறேன் சார். ஸோ ஈஸியாக வழியாக போகிறேன். போகும்போது அவரும் சின்னதாக இருக்கும். ஏன்னா இப்படிலாம் நமக்கு வந்து இந்த அனாதை இல்லம், ஹோம்ஸ், இந்த மாதிரி சேரிட்டபிள் ஃபங்க்ஷன்னா ஒரு மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு கண்டது அந்த மாதிரி தான் படம் வரும். சாதாரண ஒரு பில்டிங், சாதாரண ஒரு 4 செவரில் ஒரு வால், அப்படி தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. அப்படிலாம் தான் இருக்கும். அக்ஷய் ஏதோ சின்னதாக பண்ணி கொடுக்குறாங்க நமக்கு. அப்படி தான் நினச்சேன், டு பி ஆனஸ்ட். ஸோ போகிறேன் கேதம்பாக்கம் மெயின் ரோடு வந்துச்சு. பார்த்தா பெரிய ஹியூஜ் செட்டப். அண்ட் அங்கே போய் அது காட்டுறாங்க. அண்ட் குட்டி குட்டியாக சார், ரவுண்ட் வந்து 7 ஃபீட் மேலே மழை தண்ணி வந்தால் தண்ணி பிரச்சனை இல்லை, எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி பிரச்சனை இல்லை. அவங்க உள்ளே போயிட்டா வெளியில் வர வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. அண்டு என்ன இருந்தாலும் என்னுடைய 25 வயசு பையன் வந்து என்னுடைய பேபி, அவனுக்காக வந்து அந்த ஒர்லாண்டோ பிளாக்ல வந்து டிஸ்னி தீம் வச்சு ஸோ பர்ஃபெக்டாக இருக்கு. அண்ட் அதை போய் பார்க்குறேன். அண்ட் அங்கே ஃபுல்லாக சுற்றி காட்டுறாங்க. 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom.
Radha and our dear friend Poonam Natarajan, and of course I've spent many hours and many days in Vidyasagar, and Mr. Chitti Babu and my dear friend Prithvi. After Prithvi's emotional speech, which really touched your heart, I really don't know what else to say, because I feel like I will not be inclusive if I follow my speech after him. When Chitti Babu sir called me and told me that he's doing something like this, and immediately I said I wanted to be part of it. It's very strange, Mr. Chitti Babu, that we've known each other for more than 20 years. I have been dealing with so many real estate developers, like Shreyas who built our house, and Vijay Shanti another house, and Casa Grande, Arun Excello, so many people. Either we bought properties or I've done ads for them, but the two of us, we've never had any business transaction ever. It's never been commercial at all, and I'm so glad it's been like that. Because for some reason you always approach me when you want something humane from me. And I've also done that for you, I've attended your Women's Day celebrations, and I've come to many occasions where you really thought there was a need. The day before Chitti Babu called me, my cousin had come from Delhi and her brother lives in Washington. So the last time he came to see the Atti Varadar, and now I was wondering when he was coming back to see all of us. But she said he can't come because they have a special child. They cannot leave him and come. I believe he's 13 years old now, and he's very, very, very handsome. Really handsome. I saw him as a 6-year-old or 7-year-old child many years ago. Now he's a 13, 14-year-old boy and really handsome. But like Prithvi said, he's on this side of the spectrum. And I have another family member who's on this side of the spectrum. When you see him, you won't even know that he's on the spectrum. But the life of the parent problem. He knows only black and white. He doesn't know grey at all. And without knowing the grey, you just cannot, survive in this society, because we are all grey here. We're all completely grey. We might dye our hair black, but we're all grey. We learn the art and technique of grey, but whereas this boy is pure, he knows only black and white. So I do understand what is going through in families like ours. It's coming very close to us. I mean, it's not like it's only happening in Gopis and Radha's and Poonam's life or Prithvi's life. It's happening in our lives also. So we need to understand how to cope with it. I mean, some of us relatives have to see the signs, early signs, and kind of prepare the parents, because parents are the last one to accept that there is something wrong with their children. So as relatives, we need to, that is something that I really believe in. So the press என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, நம்ம குடும்பத்துல இருக்கிற ஒரு குழந்தை கூட நமக்கு வித்தியாசமா இருந்ததுன்னா, எஸ்பெஷலி லோவர் கிளாஸஸ்ல கண்டுபிடிக்கவே மாட்டாங்க. அது பேசிடும், அது தவழ்ந்துடும், நடந்துரும்பாங்க. So the milestones எல்லாம் மிஸ் பண்ணும்போதே சுத்தி இருக்கிறவங்க சொல்லணும். That is number one. Now coming to the sensitizing part of it, this is an amazing project. எல்லாருமே சொல்லிட்டாங்க. I think it's going to be a model project. That's why I'm here. I have a flight in another half an hour. I have to rush from here to catch the flight. I'm going to Hyderabad. I'm working and working, Prithvi, after a long time. So I'm going. So what I wanted to say was, I feel 200 people who are going to be housed here, like you're lucky. But the luckiest are the 1,900 families. Yes. They are so lucky. Unbelievably lucky, because there is so much that they learn about life that the society cannot teach them. Something magnanimous. That is what happened to all of us. The generosity and the magnanimity that has come to you is because your knees went down. Because you said, how am I going to sort this out? And your magnanimity and your generosity is what has come to Mr. Chitti Babu. Together, you are really going to create history. It's not history. You are going to create humanity. So நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, 1,900 ஃபேமிலிஸ்ல இருக்கிறவங்க, அவங்க குழந்தைங்க, பெரியவங்க, அந்த அப்பா அம்மா, அவங்க வீட்டுல வேலை செய்யறவங்கல இருந்து எல்லாருமே அதிர்ஷ்டக்காரங்க. ஏன்னா உண்மையான வாழ்க்கையை அவங்க அப்பதான் பார்க்க போறாங்க. இது வரைக்கும் எல்லாம் நம்ம நெட்ஃபிளிக்ஸும் அமேசானும் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்பதான் உண்மையான வாழ்க்கையை பார்க்க போறோம். நாங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கிறது நெட்ஃபிளிக்ஸ் அமேசான் வாழ்க்கை. ஸோ அந்த 1,900 பீப்புள் உண்மையான வாழ்க்கையை பார்க்க போறாங்க. நிறைய ஹர்டில்ஸ் இருக்கும், நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதெல்லாம் சார்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். முதல்ல இவங்களெல்லாம் சென்சிடைஸ் பண்ணிட்டாலே உலகத்தையே கொஞ்சம் மாற்று. ஸோ யூ ஆர் ட்ரைங் டு சேஞ்ச் த வேர்ல்ட், சார்ஸ். யூ ஆர் ஆல் ட்ரைங் டு சேஞ்ச் த வேர்ல்ட், லுக்கிங் அட் children differently, looking at people differently. அதான் டிசபிலிட்டி பத்தி சொல்லப்போ பிருத்வி சார், யாரே தான் டிசபிலிட்டி இல்லை. I am learning Western music at the age of 59. Music இத்தனை வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் கத்துக்கிறேன். I realized the right side of the brain we are not using at all. There is nothing that you can do with your left hand. ஒண்ணுமே வர முடியாது. They are asking you to do this. Do this, you can do. When the fourth finger you can't do. We are disabled. We cannot. I mean, some of you try. This fourth finger, you won't be able to. You can keep it like this. First finger, second finger, third finger, fifth finger, fine. Fourth, with so much. So all of us are disabled and we are thinking we are able. We are not. So all the you know, dreamers like us who think that we are able will learn from the disabled and the people with special needs and from the patient and then from the parents also. So again, 1,900 families are very, very lucky.